Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Mike.
It's James.
And we're just gonna quickly upload a quick video of what we've been doing to the R33 GTR. It's been about a month and we've been slacking, so we apologize. But thanks everyone for subscribing who are new to the channel. We're gonna be dropping some new content probably here shortly. Got some stuff coming up.
R34, R35, R33, R32. Got some projects going on. So this stuff is gonna go over the new front clip, headlights, new lights on the bumper, the turn signal lights, new piping, HKS piping on the 33, recirculating pipe, and the exhaust. So sounds amazing. Let's go ahead and show you guys.
All right, so we are taking out the old one and we have ourselves a brand new, same piece. Look how old and crusty, brand new.
If you want the part number.
There it is right there. And a lot of these are getting discontinued, so let's go ahead and grab the light, bro.
Behind it.
All right, we got the brand new lights. I think one's right and one's left. Check. I think this one here, this one says left front, left headlight. So that's it. Yep. So as you can see, go ahead and put that in. Turn it.
No, probably upside down.
Is it the wrong headlight? Doesn't seem right. Alright, so we actually had the wrong headlight here, so there it is. It is almost in because it's not straight Nissan. But
it is. It's good.
Is it? Alright, cool. So now we got that in. Brand new. Look at that.
Nismo.
Old. Alright, so we got that. This goes in pretty easy. So what you do is we're getting the bulb in. Lock that in spot. And these are always tricky. There we go. Turn it. Locked. Put it in. And then you got this long, nice screw. And you just turn it. It's that easy. There she is. Okay. All right, now to the other side. Hey guys, so this is the part number to the right side. The difference is, I'm not sure what the difference, maybe there's two different part numbers, but this is the one that came off the car. See how the holes completely through? This is the one that we're replacing it with. And I think it's here for more aero, but the weird thing is, like, this is the same exact thing. Maybe Nismo versus non, I don't know. But we're gonna go ahead and put the new one on now, just because it's a little darker. I mean, this one actually looks really good. I don't know, might just take a, something cleaner and clean it up. But we're going to put this one on for now, and then we have the headlight over here, so go ahead and get this on.
Okay.
All right. You got to put this bulb. And then slide in first. Yep. Okay, cool. And then we'll go ahead and get the screw. And tighten that in. All right, guys, so we got the car pretty much back together. A bolt will hold that fender up a little bit, and we got everything hooked up here. Series 3 headlights, GTR grille, the white Nismo turn lights, and will hold that up. So got the side skirt down right now, but Let's show you guys what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. We back. R33 game. Just get this thing painted. Be looking fire. Kind of mad that they didn't give us the same color fenders, but whatever. It would look kind of cool with like a silver front end, white back, but now we got like 3 different colors. Look at her.
Put the side scoop back up.
I know. All right. What is going on, guys? SUDDOTH here and SuddothOne. We are back. We got the RB26 valve covers, intake manifold in. This is what we've all been waiting for. Finally reran the Greddy boost line, 1 to each turbo, GT 2860R-5 turbos, Garrett turbos up in there. We got the Tomei dumps and downpipe exhaust manifolds, and then we have the a titanium downpipe as well. RSR
Equal length.
HKS old style piping here, pretty nice, and the HKS cones with some Greddy filters. I'm not buying new filters there. GTR badge, as you can see, and yeah, so now we're getting some press tone 50/50 coolant. I'll put this in and fill her up. Hopefully we got no leaks.
All fresh gaskets.
Yep.
Intake power coated.
New, we got spark plugs, new spark plugs, iridium spark plugs.
Greddy electronic.
This is gonna get painted black, so stay tuned for that. I'd like to like polish up these pipes and stuff, but just making them look nice. We'll give it a nice little detail. But yeah, what we're doing right now. Then we'll get some oil in her and get her up and running. So we'll see you guys soon. Still gotta get the bumper on. You got the Trust, Greddy.
Which is Greddy.
Yeah, Greddy. Standard blow-offs, but we'll upgrade her. See how she does.
Got a Nismo clutch.
Yeah, Nismo clutch. All right,
Fully built motor.
I'll show you guys what this thing sounds like once it's up and running. Right now it's got full titanium exhaust right here, but this is this exhaust here. It's a Kayamoto Racing, I think is how you say it. Then we got the bumper. Just sold the lip, but we have the new Nismo lip right here. So we'll get that installed, and got the Series 3 headlights on this one. We might be selling the housings. So if you guys want to buy just the housings, they do not come with the ballast. We will sell those, and let me know. $1,500 or best offer. Thanks. All right, guys. So I got some bullshit. I'll show you what the clip looks like here on this side. And as you can see, you see how there's 2 on this right side and 1 on the left? Well, in the Series 3 headlight, they flip-flopped it, and you can't put it in backwards and upside down. So on the new headlight, basically, you have to cut these sides out so it slides in. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead.
I already did it for the first one.
Yep.
This is a 1995 R33 GTR.
Now,
And
I guess
we
you
just
could buy the right clip.
Just got done putting this together. This is very nice.
So this is an R34 one. We wired that in because when we had the R334, so we just left that for now. But we have to literally saw this off, right? This side piece, saw off this bottom piece, and then saw off this. It's actually pretty easy. You just literally just hand saw that motherfucker.
Wear gloves, please.
And once we get that sawed off, we will update you once it's done. All right, guys, so this one was a little sloppier because I was trying to rush. But we sawed that off, and now when we go to put this in, it will fit. So this is the cheap way of not having to find clips and plugs and rewire all this dumbass shit. But now when you plug this in, boom, look at that, perfect. Ain't even gotta do anything, so that works.
Go ahead and put this on.
Go ahead and put this on and
show you guys that it works. We already tested it. We know it works. So boom.
All right, guys, so this is how stupid this shit is. So when we bought our HKS piping, this is the older style. It didn't have the Y pipe that goes from here to recirc back into here for our blow-offs. So what's happening is we're running super rich because it's venting to atmosphere and basically like a big ass leak. So this is what we had set up, and when we were running our Haltech, it wasn't an issue, but this is running a stock you see right now. So basically like this goes into here, and then this pipe basically just connects those two right there. But now we need that to have a Y included so it can go out into there. And for some reason, like it didn't just come with this setup. So who the fuck knows? I have no clue what we're gonna do, but it's either that or just get a fucking aftermarket ECU and call it a day. But I really don't feel like doing that. All right, guys, so update. Looks like we got that pipe. My brother found one at Lowe's, and it is that L shape with that end on it, and we got this nice little pipe coming down underneath, and then it basically curves back up to the blow off. So lovely, we got that on. Now we just need to get some clamps over here, tighten these bolts up, get our mass airflow back on, get the pipe back on, and we should be back in business. So hopefully to have an update here soon and get this baby running.
So good.
So we just got done putting the exhaust on the R33 GTR. As you can see, Special Racing produce, Kiamoto Racing. We're gonna go ahead and start it up. Rev it. Belt's a little squeaky.
It's not like the battery was almost dead.
Might be. The battery has been sitting for a while, bro.
Alright guys, so the car's warmed up.